Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do 4 different easy hairstyles to keep your hair out of your face. So if you're a mom, or if you're going to the gym, or if you work in the medical field, these are great for you. And we just want to give a little shout out to all those who have been working so tirelessly through this epidemic. We are so thankful for each of you. First off, I just washed my hair so it is all clean, and I'm going to start out with a high ponytail, and I'm just going to show you a couple quick tips to make it look really good. So I'm going to flip over, and then I'm just going to gather all of my hair on the top of my head, smoothing it out as much as I can. And then I'm going to secure it with a band. And then I'm just going to tighten it up a little bit so it holds really well. And then just the front I'm going to loosen up to make it look a little bit better and not quite as stuck to my head. As I loosen the top, I'm just going to pull a little bit down around my ears. And depending on how much you want your style to be loose, you can pull down as much as you want. I just kind of like to pull a little bit around. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a small piece of hair from my ponytail, and I'm going to wrap it around to cover up the band. And then securing it with a bobby pin. And that just creates a very sleek look. Okay, the next style is a quick and easy bun, so let's get started. We are just going to gather all the hair here at the nape of your neck and smooth it all out. And then just secure it with an elastic. And then on the last one, we're just going to pull it through just a little bit, creating a small loop. And then you're going to wrap all of the rest of your hair around. And then you're going to secure it by tucking it through the ponytail. So this look is very similar to one I have shown previously, but it's just a little bit different. It holds a little tighter, so it's a little bit better for the gym. And then I'm just going to pull a small amount around my ears, and that is the finished look. So for the next hairstyle, we are going to split our hair in half and pull it to the front, and then we are going to start by gathering it and then securing it with an elastic, like a little pigtail. And then we are going to leave about 2.5 inches, and then we're going to put another little band. And then we're just going to make a little hole in the middle. And then we're going to flip all of the hair through it, creating a little Topsy Tail, and then just loosen that up, pulling small sections. Make sure that you're not pulling it all out at once, but you're pulling small pieces to loosen it up. And then we are going to do the same thing to the other side. Okay, so we have all of that, and then I'm just going to pull a small amount around my face. So I'm just gonna pull it around my face to make it look a little bit more sporty. And then this is also a very fun look to wear with a ball cap or a toboggan or any type of hat, just because it adds a lot of fun dimension with these little cute Topsy Tail ponytails. Okay, and the last style, we are going to do a little braided top knot. So it's a little different, but it's a fun way to wear your hair. And it also keeps the hair out of your face. So we're gonna start by taking a small section right at the front of our hairline. And we're just going to French braid it a little bit. This is one of my favorite hairstyles to wear to work out because it is really cute after you're done working out, but it still keeps your hair completely out of your face and it doesn't fall at all. So we're just going to braid it about to the back of your head. And then I'm going to use a little scrunchie and pull it home through, create a little bun. And then I'm just going to loosen up the braid a little bit. And then you can wear your hair down or you can throw it up in a ponytail. It's super easy and it just creates a fun little top knot on your head. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and it was helpful to you. Don't forget to leave any questions or ideas in the comments below.